Okay, well, good luck. Good luck, Snap.
All right, last one.
Last one. Bears are pretty athletic, I guess. Well, here we have a black bear hanging from what looks like a tree, although he or she looks to be very interested in whatever's inside of that birdhouse. Probably something to snack on, a couple of seeds.
Uh-huh.
And this looks like a nimble bear that is, I'm guessing, going to go for it. And let's find out how athletic they are. Here we go. Chewing on the
Oh, this is dangerous.
Let's go.
The paws.
More athletic than we are. Oh! And using the mouth as the extra grip as well. Spins around.
How is this wire holding?
Yeah.
It's quite the wire, isn't
It's
it?
a heavy bear.
It's quite the wire.
It's really overkill for a birdhouse.
Look at that grip right there.
Oh,
It's
he's
not that high.
like barely off the floor.
And then his butt ran into that tree stump too.
Yeah.
But that's definitely a nimble bear. That would be cool to watch. And a lot of work for a couple of seeds or whatever's in there. But I guess he's curious. He's got a little time on his hands. Go check out the seeds. The people watching, they're just in shock. That's my birdhouse.
The dangling.
My birdhouse.
Bird feeder, I guess. What's the difference between a birdhouse and feeder? Can it be both? I guess the feeder.
So.
I guess the feeder they eat, they go. The house they stay a while.
Yeah, maybe they stick around.
They might stay a while. Well, shout out to that guy. Very nimble. Definitely putting us to shame. None of us are doing that. None of us have that capability. Even Will, and he's halfway up a mountain most days.
Yeah.
When he's not
I
not jogging around your block, keep your eyes open because he's coming for you. You might see him and Otis just scrambling out there early morning. Probably like some sort of brisk morning exercise that Will likes to get himself into, but he doesn't get too crazy with it. He doesn't get those special outfits or anything.
No.
He still wants to be.
Not there yet.
Oh, you might get there?
Oh.
Well, keep an eye out, guys. If you see him, if you spot Willie Doo out there, let me know. If he's got any type of special outfit going on, you're going to have to let me know on social media because we obviously can't miss that. Shout out to Coca-Cola for attempting to put the taste of space into a bottle. I don't know if they did it. Somebody else is going to have to let me know. I'm a classic guy when it comes to that taste test. Thank you to everybody who joined. Thank you to everybody for this week. It's a Friday. Have yourself a weekend. Get outdoors. Take a deep breath. Reset. And we'll see you back here on Monday.